1 0.33 fluid ounces package of Kerasal Nail Renewal nail repair solution with tea tree oil. Reduces discoloration and thickness while it hydrates and exfoliates brittle nails to improve the appearance of nails damaged by onychomycosis. Combines the keratolytic properties of urea with hydrating propylene glycol and lactic acid to penetrate nail plates with natural tea tree oil for a soothing effect. Loosens the damaged layer to reveal smoother nails for a visible difference. Kerasal is the most doctor-recommended cosmetic brand for improving the appearance of nails. FSA HSA eligible with a doctor prescription. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing, it's working. I finally had to admit I had somehow acquired nail fungus as I kept getting purplish blotches on my larger toenails, and they were becoming kind of weird, ridged and weak. Had no idea what to do, so I did what we do, Google it and come to see what's on offer at Amazon with good reviews.